Hey everyone, this video is how to pack your Patagonia Black whole duffel, going from this bag to this little pouch. It condenses down. Right, let's get these straps off first, because they disconnect. And so inside the bag is this little pouch, and this is what the bag goes into. So we're gonna have a little go at it now. You're gonna pull this out like that, and then you're just gonna push that back against this like that, and then turn it over, and then just start pushing it in like that. Okay, just pushing it in like that. So I gotta be honest with you, this bag isn't that easy to pack. I've made it look really easy here, but in reality it's not an easy bag to pack. This took about 10 attempts to get this video correct, and even after, I still struggled to get it in as quick as I have done in this video. So just bear that in mind if you are looking to buy the bag. The Voyager, for instance, the North Face Voyager, once you know how to do it, it fits into its little pouch really easily, where this one is quite difficult every time I've had to pack it, except for this one time that I'm showing you in the video. But I'll leave my link, the link for the bag in the description anyway. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get in the comment section.